Hey everyone, so in today's video I will be showing you my filming makeup. So I'm so sorry for the chaos in the background. I came here because there is a huge window in front of me, so obviously there is more light for makeup tutorials. So yeah, and also if you are new, hello, hi, my name is Nilpuri. My channel is about fashion, but today I'm doing a makeup tutorial because this is a requested one. I don't get many requested videos, but several people requested this, so I'm doing this. So first of all, my film makeup, it should be two things. It should have less layers because it is so hot where I live, and I'm usually doing more lookbooks, so it can get pretty hot and I will sweat if it has more layers. So it should be simple and has less layers, and also it should be simple because I'm doing more lookbooks and I don't want my makeup to be eye-catching than my outfit, because I'm showing you my outfit than my makeup. So yeah, so I would consider it more minimalistic, I believe. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so to start things off, I'm applying my primer. This is the one that I'm using. This is from The Ordinary. This is called High Spreadability Fluid Primer. So the reason that I'm using this is because it doesn't even feel like it's on my face. It has a very thin type of consistency, and also it doesn't have any fragrance, which is good. Yeah, that's the thing with The Ordinary brand. They don't have fragrance in most of their products, and I love that. Alright, next, the foundation that I'm using is also from The Ordinary. Now I do like to apply my foundation in different ways in different days. I don't know why. So today I'm going to use my beauty blender. So if you guys can see, it does a pretty good job covering my blemishes. So yeah, that's why I'm obsessed with it. Next, I think I should start with my brows. This is the brow brush that I'm using. This is from Revolution Makeup. So if you look at my brows, I think they are pretty average, I believe. There is a bit of inconsistency in this one. I think this is pretty perfect. I don't know. By the way, I have never done my brows like ever. They are virgin, so as me. So for my filming makeup, I don't usually draw my brows. Yeah, I don't know why. I just don't see. Yeah, I don't do that. I don't know why. So this is how I brush my brows. I don't see any difference though. Like, yeah, I never see any difference. Next, I'm gonna move on to my eyes while concealing the underline of my brows. Now this is also a foundation of a very light shade. This is a Thai brand called Miss Teen. Like I said, I don't have many products right here, so yeah, that's why I'm using this, I believe. So this is how I draw the bottom underline of these brows. So I'm gonna take a little amount to this brush that I'm using, this smaller brush. Here I go, emotional. So to blend this, I'm gonna use my fingertip. So I did the other brow off camera, and now I'm going to move on to the eyes. This is the only eyeshadow palette that I'm currently having. Yeah, this is very minimalistic. So I'm going to take another brush. I'm going to use this dark brownish shade. I'm gonna draw a line just like this, and I'm gonna join that line to my crease. Yeah, just like this. It's not perfect. I panicked, so it's not perfect. Next, I'm gonna take another brush and use this silver color. I'm not gonna blend it too much because I want it to shine in the middle. Yeah. Alright, so I did the next one off camera and it's perfect than this. But anyway, you got it. So next I'm going to move on to my face makeup. The concealer that I'm using is from NYX. The points that I usually conceal is right here and right here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And also maybe here and here as well. For contouring, I'm also using a foundation. This is from Maybelline. I don't like the brand because it feels so much thick on my skin, and also this is not cruelty free, I believe. So this is also a foundation, maybe about 2 shades darker than me. So that's what I'm using to contour today. I don't have any contour sticks or anything. If you have some more recommendations for contour sticks, let me know down below in the comments. I love to find some. The way that I'm gonna do my contouring is I'm gonna take some amount to my brush. This brush is the Real Technique brush. Yeah, this is called Deluxe Crease brush from Real Techniques. I am gonna apply this shade 2 from here to the point where my brow ends. Yeah, that would be pretty much it. Right here. And also right around here. A little bit. Alright, again I'm using my beauty blender.
Here I go, emotional. Why do I let you in? Throwing words, I let them hurt, let them under my skin. Where do we go? Where do we go?
Right, so we are pretty much done. Now I'd like to move again to the upper side of my brows, and for this I am using my foundation, if you remember the ordinary foundation. So I'm going to take a simple amount to this small brush and I'm gonna draw a line again, and then I'm gonna blend it out. So these areas are not that much blended enough, so I'm using another brush. Right now I'm going to use the mascara. This is from I Heart Revolution. This is one of the best ones that I've used. Now it's the blush time. So as a habit, I usually blend these two together. I'm gonna apply this over a line. So to finish this, I am applying, I have several lipsticks that I like to use, but first of all I'd like to line. This is the lip liner that I'm using. This is also from a Thai brand called Sivana Colors. The reason that I stick, if you have seen my no makeup look, you might have seen I use this same liner. Now the reason that I'm using this is because this is so similar to my natural color and I kind of like that. I am using this Huda Beauty gloss, I believe. I don't know what shade it is. Alright guys, so I think it is alright. So I forgot the setting spray. So this is the one that I'm using. It is also from Revolution. This is illuminating Moon Glow illuminating fixing spray. Alright guys, so yeah, that's gonna wrap up for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know down below what you guys think of this video. I don't think I did a very good job at my eyeshadows. So anyway, yeah, let me know down below what your thoughts are, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.
go.